Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Welcome to my messy closet. But you know, something that helps keep me organized is this legging organizer. Ladies, I cannot be the only woman out there that has a cajillion pairs of leggings. I wear leggings every day. I wear them to work out in. I wear them around the house to do housework. I wear them all the time. And I used to just throw them at the top of my closet, but now I have this amazing organizer that keeps everything right where I need it. I was going through my leggings and hanging them up, and I was like, oh, I didn't even know I had this pair. This is so cute. It was like getting new leggings because I have way too many pair. The quality of this organizer is really what I want to talk about. This is very sturdy. Everything is in there very tight. These aren't going to fall off, which I love, especially with the weight that I have on it. Nothing is falling apart, and I've had these for a little while. I love that the clips are very easy to use. They're not too hard to pinch and open and close, and then you put your leggings on there and they stay there. Look at the durability of this. It comes in a pack of 2, which I love because if you have a lot of leggings like I do, you're going to need 2 of them. Each hanger holds 10 pairs, so you've got a total of 20 pairs of leggings that you can hang up here that gets them out of a stuffy drawer or out of your closet and hung up where you can see them all plainly. Another nice thing about this is you can be creative in what you choose to hang on it. It doesn't have to be leggings. It can be scarves, or it could be men's ties, really baby clothes, really anything that you just need displayed. This is going to be great. So if you're looking for something to help you organize your massive amount of leggings, you found it. But that's just my point of view.